Good evening to all of you. So this particular video is on uniform circular motion. So if you see the diagram, you can see the important points of uniform circular motion. The acceleration is always towards the radius, and the velocity is perpendicular to, this is perpendicular to acceleration, right? This is tangential velocity, and acceleration is radial in nature. And one of the important things you have to note is that you must do the derivation of acceleration with your own hands if you want to learn uniform circular motion. Otherwise, you will never understand it. Especially, if you have this angle, theta, and then this is a parallel line. So this is an alternate angle. So this is theta, and this will be 90 minus theta because this is theta, right? So this 90 minus theta. So you must be able to draw the diagram. You must be able to show the fact that in a uniform circular motion, the velocity direction is changing, and acceleration also as a vector is changing as the velocity direction is changing, but it is always directed towards the center, and hence the word centripetal acceleration. The time it takes to complete one complete circle is called as the time period. Okay, time period of one revolution. So you must do the derivation of uniform circular motion with your own hands. Make a physics conceptual book and write down the whole derivation with your own hand. That's the only way to learn this topic. Thank you very much.